In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add colors to tags in ClickUp. If you want to make your tasks easier to scan and organize visually, adding color to tags is a simple and effective way to do it. Color tags can help you quickly identify categories, priorities, themes, or workflow types at a glance, especially when you're working with a lot of tasks in the same space. To get started, open the task where you want to add a tag or edit an existing one. Once the task window is open, look for the Tags field. This is the area where all tags connected to that task are managed. Click on the Tags field to open the tag menu. From here, you can either search for a tag that already exists or type a new name if you want to create one. This is useful if your workspace already has a tagging system in place, but it also gives you the flexibility to create a new tag on the spot if needed. After you find or create the tag you want, add it to the task. At this point, the tag will appear attached to the task. But if you want to personalize it and make it more visually distinct, the next step is to assign it a color. Click the tag again to open its options. This will bring up the available color choices for that tag. You'll see a selection of color circles that you can choose from. Simply click one of those colors to assign it to the tag. As soon as you select a color, ClickUp applies it automatically, so there's no extra save button to worry about. If none of the default color circles match what you want, click Add Color instead. This gives you the option to choose a different color that better fits your system or preferences. Once you select your preferred color, it will be applied to the tag automatically, just like the standard options. Using tag colors consistently can make your workspace feel much more organized and easier to navigate. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when you're reviewing tasks quickly or managing multiple types of work at once. That's all it takes to add colors to tags in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.